Hello, my name is Romana and I'm happy to start with series of R tutorials for you. These video tutorials are supposed to support you with learning RStudio for your marketing research class. In the first tutorial, I will explain you the difference between R and RStudio and show you how you can download the softwares. If you ask me if you have to install RStudio, my answer would be no. But if you ask me if you should install RStudio, I would answer definitely yes. So what is actually the difference between R and RStudio? R is a programming language and environment for scientific computing and graphics used by statisticians. And RStudio is a free open source integrated development environment for R. To put it in a more simple way, RStudio helps to keep R more organized and it adds more functionality to it. You can use R without using RStudio, but you can't use RStudio without using R, so R comes first. Now, let's go ahead and download R and RStudio. I will demonstrate it using Windows, although the steps will be very similar if you are using Mac or Linux. R and RStudio are free, open source and available for Windows, Mac and Linux operating systems. You should first install R before installing RStudio, and to download R you can go to website www.r-project.org. I already have it here. Let's press enter. And you can learn more about R and search for help manuals and other useful information on this page. You can download R through one of the CRAN pages on the left side. CRAN is an abbreviation for Comprehensive R Archive Network. After clicking on CRAN, you will be asked to select a mirror. Mirror is the location you will download the R from. Please select the location nearest to you. As I'm in Vienna right now, I'm going to select the Austrian mirror. And here you can see the options to download R for Linux, Mac and Windows. I'm working on Windows, so I will select Windows. Since we are installing R for the first time, we will click on Base on the left side. And now, to download R, you will just click on the download link at the top of the page. And once you click the link, your computer will start downloading the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, please install R in the same way as you would install any other application. I will not go through the whole procedure, I don't think it's necessary, but it is worth noting that it is usually reasonable to accept the default options when you will be installing R. Now, when we installed R, we can go ahead and install RStudio. RStudio can be downloaded from the website www.rstudio.com. Once you are on the website, scroll down if necessary, and here on the left side you can see the RStudio part and the download link, so click on that one. Now we can see a table and we are searching for the RStudio desktop free version, which is here on the left side of the table. So we will click on download below the table again. Now we need to select our operating system under installers for supported platforms. Again, since I'm working on Windows, I will choose RStudio for Windows. Then you just specify the directory where you want to save the installer, and subsequently the RStudio installer will be downloaded. I will not go again through the whole procedure. And once it is downloaded, please run the installation. I'm sure you are able to manage that by yourself. And then once you installed the RStudio, you can open it by going into your applications folder or by searching for it here, so let's do that. Let's try to open it. RStudio. We will just click on it. And wait for opening it. Yeah, now we can see the RStudio and we are ready to start working. But it will come in the next tutorials. Thank you for watching the tutorial.